Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I'm ready to do something fun today. I'm gonna make a meal using only canned foods. This is round 3 of canned food meal. I'm making a pumpkin stew using this. Wow, let's get dumping. 1 can of sliced carrots. 2 cans of chicken, 1 can of fiesta corn, a can of chicken broth, 2 cans of white chili beans, and 1 large can of pumpkin puree. Let's start cooking. No seasonings, just cans. Well, here it is, pumpkin stew, using only canned foods. Let's try it. Love that chicken. And those white chili beans, perfect spice. And the pumpkin really pops in my mouth. This couldn't be any easier. All you need is a can opener and a pot. You can do that. If you're looking for something comforting to make that's also extremely simple, give this a go. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. See you next time. Yesterday, I went to the world's smallest wind turbine exhibit. Honestly, not a big fan.